Question number 4. What is requirement gathering? Explain the types of requirements. Requirement gathering. This is the initial phase of SDLC. The goal is to understand and collect what the software needs to achieve. Types of requirements. Requirements are generally categorized into 2 types. First, functional requirements. Functional requirements describe the specific behaviors or functions of a system. These requirements outline what the system should do and include tasks, services, and functionalities that the system must perform. Example of functional requirements. Functional requirements for a library management system. User registration. The system should allow users, students, faculty, to register and create an account. Second book borrowing. The system should enable users to search for books and borrow them. Third book return. The system should allow users to return borrowed books. Fourth, inventory management. Librarians should be able to add, update, and remove books from the inventory. Fifth, notification. The system should send notifications to users about due dates and overdue books. Second, non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements define the quality attributes, performance criteria, and constraints of the system. These requirements specify how the system performs a function rather than what the system should do. Example of non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements for a library management system. First, performance. The system should handle up to 1,000 simultaneous users without performance degradation. Second, usability. The user interface should be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing users to perform tasks with minimal effort. Third, reliability. The system should be available 99.9% of the time, ensuring high availability and minimal downtime. Fourth, security. User data should be encrypted, and access should be controlled through secure authentication mechanisms. Fifth, scalability. The system should be able to scale to accommodate an increasing number of users and books in the inventory.